Hi guys, I just want to experience something. Uh, Sana makarelate. Parang kasi as a Christian, at some point in my life, akala ko I was busy doing something for the Lord. Siyempre, as a part of a music ministry sa church, um, I always practice, I always spend time on myself na akala ko I was doing something for the glory of God. Pero, um, yun pala, um, I was just busy doing something that would pleasure myself, but I was not busy for the Lord. Parang, out of my own conscience, mas gusto ko lang palang gawin yung mga bagay na akala ko ay tamang gawin. Pero, um, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi it's never too late na ilagay ang bawat pieces to its own original places. Ika nga we always have the chance to change. We always had the chance to glorify God, to be close to Him. Kumbaga, kailangan nating itama yung motivations. Or rather, kailangan nating itama yung bawat motive na ginagawa natin. Kasi madalas na move tayo ng mga bagay na gusto natin. Akala natin, nag-glorify natin ang Lord, pero hindi pala. Baga ginagawa lang natin yung bagay kasi hilig natin. Pero, I was at this seminar last time. Narinig ko tong song na to. Nakakatawa kasi I know God put this song in my heart na nag-flashback lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa ko na ay oo nga na mas marami ako na spend time na na mas gino-glorify ko yung sarili ko kaysa din sa mga bagay na dapat ay si Lord ang i-glorify ko, lalo na sa gift na binigay niya sa akin na mas madalas ko siyang ginagamit noon sa pleasure ko lang, for fame, para gumaling, para mag-improve, pero mali pala. Kaya this song is entitled na Give Us Clean Hands by Chris Tomlin. And sinamahan ko siya ng konting mash up kasi medyo katunog naman siya ng kanta. Kasi parang they are interrelated with each other. Kaya sana kayo rin, kung ma-inspire kayo ng kantang to, sana hindi lang yung song yung magtatak sa isip nyo, kundi yung totoong message ng kanta. Kasi I've been doing something, I've been singing, I've been playing the guitar, all of the instrument for myself, pero hindi para sa Lord. And this time, I will do everything for His glory. give us pure hearts. Let us not live our souls to another. Give us clean hands, give us pure hearts. Let us not live our souls to another. Oh God, let us be a generation that seeks your face. Oh God of Jacob, oh God, let us be a generation that seeks your face. Oh God of Jacob. Oh God of Jacob. God bless everyone.